while we're talking about VR games, I saw another one while browsing uploadvr.com, a multiplayer game called Grokit that lets you pollinate flowers with mixed reality bees in its latest update. Launched last year on App Lab, the game has received its third major update, titled Spring Sting. These new mini-games include Dragon Blast, a space dragon crossover that involves blasting asteroids and space mines. Chomp sees you bombing fish and avoiding electric eels. Force Bees requires pollinating flowers, while Claws Out invites you to get into the spring season with the butterflies. Elsewhere, Grokit's playlist creator lets you arrange which set of mini-games you'd like to play, the length of each game, and whether games appear in a specific or randomized order. New difficulty ratings have been applied to every mini-game, and rounding out the Spring Sting are several quality of life updates as well, including how to play animations before each game begins. If you want to know more, Grokit is available right now on the Quest App Lab. You know, we go through times here on the program where we seem to focus on certain subjects versus others, and today is definitely one of those times. I see a lot of VR games coming out, and a lot to do with electric vehicles as well. And this is another one. It's from Alpha Motors Corporation. It's a California-based startup that took the car world by storm back in 2020 when it revealed the Ace Coupe. It's an all-electric, retro-inspired two-door coupe that looked like a real-life toy car. It was adorable. And since then, Alpha Motor has gone on a reveal streak, showcasing computer-generated images of a crossover, a sedan, an SUV, and a light-duty pickup. And now Alpha Motors has started taking reservations for what it calls the base model of the Wolf pickup, a car that's supposed to cost anywhere between $36 and $46 grand and offer driving ranges between 250 and 350 miles. However, there is a problem. The company has never built a customer spec car and is still trying to kick things into high gear with its pre-production program. Alpha Motors' Wolf single-motor rear-wheel drive is said to be a light-duty electric pickup that will be built in the United States using the company's so-called e-grid platform, which is a fancy way of saying old-school chassis with a battery in the floor. As the name suggests, the entry-level Wolf will supposedly be powered by a single rear-mounted electric motor that can make a continuous 75 kilowatts, that's about 100 horsepower, and 118 feet-pounds of torque. The peak power is between 134 and 201 horsepower, while the peak torque maxes out at 258 feet-pounds of torque. That's according to Alpha Motor anyway. The idea is that the electric motor will draw juice from a lithium-ion battery pack that's rated between 350 and 400 volts. The capacity is said to be between 45 and 100 kilowatt hours, enabling a theoretical driving range of 250 to 350 miles depending on the battery size. There's a mix of disc brakes on all four corners and a regenerative braking system with an independent suspension setup at the front and leaf springs at the rear. The gross vehicle weight will be about 4,000 pounds according to the company, and the towing capacity is 3,000. Meanwhile, the 0 to 60 mile per hour sprint is expected to take a not at all like Tesla time of 4.8 seconds. It does have a top speed of 125 miles an hour. This is just a cool, low weight, kind of low power electric pickup that you're going to be able to get on the cheap. There's a 9.5 square foot frunk, an 11 kilowatt onboard AC charger, a 3 kilowatt DC to DC converter, and the car is apparently capable of DC fast charging, although the startup doesn't mention at which rate. The interior is dead simple as well, with a central touch screen, some buttons, a few knobs. and a clear instrument cluster behind the steering wheel. It sure looks cool in my opinion, especially with a set of dish wheels, and the white walls really do it justice too. But we'll have to wait and see if the company manages to deliver. As it stands now, there's a single working prototype of what seems to be an all-wheel drive version of the Wolf pickup. Oh, check out this trailer. I am kind of excited. I am a Marvel fan. I am a video game fan. And when you combine the two, well, my ears perk up a little bit. Check out this trailer for Marvel Rivals. It's a superhero team-based PvP shooter. You get to assemble your favorite Marvel characters and engage in battles utilizing brand new team-up skills in destructible locations from across the multiverse. It looks awesome.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one. Pick your hero. Get ready. Go!
By the Vishanti, Strange is here. I'm hulking out! Smash it!
It's nano time. I hope Friday got that on video.
I'm opening a portal.
Don't mess with the amazing